Hi guys, happy Wednesday. Becky Thames here live for The Drive at 5, and I have a super important question for you. Do you want to make money by Monday? Do you want to make money by Monday? So today I was very fortunate for a 7-figure income earner look at my funnel, and one of the comments that someone made while Akbar was reviewing my funnel, it's, wow, Becky, this is so amazing. People can make money by Monday. And it was like a light bulb for me. I was like, yes, you can make money by Monday if you do what I tell you to do with e-commerce. And so I wanted to jump on here today and ask if you had 3 things. And if you have these 3 things and you're in the Dallas, Texas area, I would love to meet you on Sunday and eat with you and go shopping with you and show you how you can make money by Monday. So these are the 3 things that you need. You need a cell phone. Got a cell phone? You need a car. That's number 2. A cell phone, a car, and a store. So do you have those 3 things? If you have a cell phone, a car, and a store, then I can show you how to make money by Monday. So I'm actually going to be in Dallas, Texas. I'm flying in on Saturday for a conference. And the first part of Sunday morning, I am in training, but I get out of the training at half day. And then after that half day, my full conference doesn't start until that Monday. So Sunday afternoon, when I get out of my training, I'm going to meet you in Dallas, Texas. We're going to go eat at Applebee's. And then right behind there, there's a ton of stores. So I want you to bring your cell phone. I want your cell phone to be charged up, not like mine that just says Amazon has shipped the item you sold, but it's also on like that many percent. You see, it's like dead, right? Almost dead. Do not bring your cell phone like this. Have this thing fully charged and then have a backup. Like I have a e-yo-yo, and then have another backup. I have a socket mobile. This one's really cool right here. I have a socket mobile. Bring them all, right? Bring chargers, bring everything. Because I'm going to show you how to make money by Monday by going to, let's see, there's an Academy Sports there. There's a Five Below. If you have, let me know in the comments if you have a Five Below where you live right now, because I could just tell you, go in the store, walk to this section and pick these things off the shelf right now, and I won't even have to scan. And it's from all the tacit knowledge that I have in my head where I can show you how to make money without even going in the store. Because guys, what sold last Christmas is going to sell this Christmas, and it's going to sell next Christmas, and it's going to sell next Christmas, because it's evergreen, right? It's a consumable. It's something that people buy and they use it over and over and over again. And once you have a little list of these, whenever you pick something else, you can add it to the list and add it to the list and add it to the list. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to show you how to make money by Monday, because we're going to meet you Sunday afternoon at like 3 o'clock. So we're going to meet at 3 p.m. Sunday afternoon in Dallas, Texas. Bring your socket mobile, bring your e-yo-yo, bring whatever you have. And if you don't have any of this, it's okay. Just come see me and I will show you how to do it with just your cell phone. Like literally just with your cell phone, and we can scan and we can analyze. We'll have things like, let me show you what I got right here. This is, let me cover up my personal data here. I'm gonna show you what you got here. Look at this, guys. We make data-driven decisions, right? So here's a little chart. See this chart? And it says arts and crafts. This is a great thing. Guys, go to your store, go to Walmart, and go to the arts and crafts section. Because a lot of times I hear, oh my gosh, you know, there's nothing, Amazon's too saturated, there's no money. Bull hockey, right? I'm going to show you how to make money by Monday, but you have to do what I tell you to do, right? So you could go to your Walmart store right now. Some of them are even open 24 hours. Go to the arts and crafts section, and I could rattle off a list of things right now you could go pick up. Boom, 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 boom. From the arts and crafts store right at Walmart that's open 24 hours. So you can make money by Thursday if you want to. So listen, here's the deal. I want to see you in Dallas, Texas on Sunday. I can't see any comments right now, but I want to show you how to make money by Monday. And I know that we can do it. If you're not in the Dallas, Texas area and you want to know how to make money by Monday, you come see me. I'm in South Carolina right now, but Saturday I'm getting on a little jet plane. I'm going to fly to Dallas to meet you guys. So excited. I think it's going to be so much fun. Nicole Whitlock is going to be there with me. So I always love hanging out with Nicole. Hi, Brooke. How are you? I love hanging out with Nicole and talk about dropping golden nuggets. Ooh, she's like, Becky, everybody's coming to see you. And I'm like, no, Nicole, I'm coming to see you, girl, because she has like tons of golden nuggets, right? So that's how you can make money by Monday. Come to Dallas, Texas this Sunday at 3 p.m. It's not going to be Eastern, so I guess 3 p.m. Dallas time. And eat with us. We're going to eat at Applebee's. And the Applebee's around me, they've closed, but I love Applebee's. My favorite soup in this whole wide world is French onion soup, and I love Applebee's French onion soup. And the reason that Nicole picked Applebee's, and the reason I love partnering with Nicole, is she is such a planner, y'all. She is a planner from A to Z. She probably got it like, okay, at 3:15 you're going to get your soup, and at 3:20 you're going to be eating your dessert, and then we're shopping, right? She has it like, she will have it lined up, I promise, because she is very, very organized, and it will be a lot of fun to meet with her. And she also said that there may be another e-commerce rock star. I don't know who it is. I just heard her say that on her Facebook Live, so she hasn't confirmed for sure. But for those of you jumping on now, and for those of you that don't know me, my name is Becky Thames, and I am super passionate about helping you earn your first dime online with e-commerce. I've been selling online for 20 years. I started on eBay November 9th, 1999. I started on Amazon 5 years ago. I've had well over $1.3 million in sales online. I've helped thousands of people earn their first dime online, and I know that I can help you earn your first dime online as well. So come out, join me in Dallas, Texas, Sunday afternoon after I get out of my class, and we're going to show you how to shop and learn, and we'll eat, and we'll have fun, and the stores stay open until 10 p.m. We'll have 7 whole hours that we can shop. So we're going to shop till we drop. You're going to go, you know, I could probably leave tomorrow, and on my way to work, I could probably make $100 before I get to work. I can make $100 on my lunch break, and I could probably make $100 before I leave. In fact, I'm going to give myself a challenge. When I get back from my business trip, I'm going to try that. I'm going to stop at 3 places, one on my way to work, one on my lunch break, and one on my way home. I'm going to run in these stores with a finite amount of time. My goal is going to be to make $100 at each one and then leave. So I'll have a $300 profit day by the time I leave. And I'm going to try and record it all. But we'll have to see, especially that one before work, because I like to run late, and I don't want to be late for work because I'm the boss, right? And everybody watches the boss. You know you watch your boss. I know you do. I know my people are watching me. Hey. Anyway, hope you all have an amazing, amazing Wednesday. Happy Halloween if you celebrate Halloween. Be safe, and I will see you tomorrow on The Drive at 5. Bye. Drink your water.